Good morning, respected members, and hello, dear students. Hi, this is CA Pratik. I welcome you all to my YouTube channel, GST and Customs Act Fun Learning. Now, today, I'm going to discuss one important update of the Union Budget 2021. A new clause is being proposed. Clause AA of subsection 1 of section 7 of CGST Act 2017. Supply chapter में clause है section 7, उसमें new clause AA is being introduced. Now let me explain you in this three part. First, I will explain you what services which are provided by clubs, association to its members. Then there was one Supreme Court judgment, and finally what is being proposed and how it will impact these clubs and association in GST. Okay, so let us begin. First point. You all know that Rotary Club, Lions Club, all these clubs and association, what they do, they provide service to their members and collect membership fees. Correct. So they collect membership fees from their members, and to the same member, they provide many variety of services like gym facility. The members can do swimming. The members can play games, indoor games. They can have entertainment, any kind of events. All these things are possible. Now the question arose. The question arose here whether the service provided by clubs member, खुद ही के member को दिया है, can it be classified as supply? Will GST be applicable on the consideration received from the members? No, we don't know. There was one Supreme Court judgment. There was one Supreme Court judgment. Name was Calcutta Clubs Limited. In that, Supreme Court had held that Calcutta Club is a club or association. It applied the doctrine of mutuality, and it held that supply of goods or service by the clubs or association to its own members is classified as services to itself. ये तो खुद ही को services दी है, वैसा है. Such transaction shall not be subjected to service tax, and the same principle shall continue obviously in GST. As there was always a dispute whether GST applicable or whether GST not applicable. There were few advance ruling which favored this ruling, and there are few advance ruling which said no, GST is applicable. So there was always this ambiguity. Now what happened? In Union Budget 2021, Honorable Finance Minister introduced new clause, clause AA in section 7, subsection 1 of the CGST Act 17. What this new clause proposed? As per this new clause, activities or transaction by a person, that includes clubs or association, that includes clubs or association to its member, to its constituent, shall be defined under supply chapter. So this service are also classified as supply under GST. GST shall be applicable. Trust, club, association shall be liable to collect GST for the services provided to its members. This is the new clause. So now what is happening? There is one more hidden point here. One more hidden point. What this union budget is proposing, it seeks to add this new clause. We all agree, but retrospectively from 1st of July 2017. This clause they are proposing retrospectively जब से GST आया था 1st July 17. How can they do that? What about few clubs and association have taken advance ruling, and advance ruling has held that GST not applicable, but this clause they are introducing retrospectively. Severe impact on such clubs and associations. Government should think about it. Now, what will happen here? After such retrospective insertion of the clause, now the clubs and association who are providing services to its own members, खुद ही को services दे रहे, but the clause say they shall be classified as distinct person, separate person in the eyes of GST. So whatever consideration the clubs and association are collecting, it shall be classified as supply retrospectively and shall be subjected to GST. Okay, so a negative amendment, negative clause addition, if they wanted to add, they should have had at least prospectively from 1st April 21 or somewhere. This retrospective amendment, it is not making GST good and simple tax. So think about it. And I request government to please make change and insert this clause prospectively. So this was an important amendment or addition in the union budget. I will keep sharing such knowledge with you. If you like, kindly subscribe the channel. And just one more important update.